the Canadian Swiss. The Canadian Swiss is also one of the pairs that has been bearish for a while, but we are seeing some bullish momentum, so this would be an interesting market to look at. So we never trade against the trend, so we look for entries where the trend favors us. Here we have USD JPY, where we are expecting a test over these zones on the daily time frame, then bullish momentum, though we might also expect earlier test for buy entries around this area. Yes, so that is it for USD JPY. For USD Swiss, we have a tentatively bearish trend, though we are also expecting to see some major bullishness when we are looking at the dollar. The reason why this is bearish is because most of the time the dollar is usually weak against the Swiss, as you can see. Yes, the dollar has always been bearish against this, so we're also still checking on this and see if this is going to be a turn of trend or what's happening. We didn't look at other markets because you're focusing on the markets that will be moving well this week. Here we have Ethereum USD. Yes, you can see a bit of that, but no further analysis on that. We have US Tech. Yes, US Tech, we're looking forward to bullishness. As you can see in the US Tech, here we have high, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher high, equal lows. So a break through this would force the market to continue going up. Already we can see some institutional tests over there, so we are looking for bullishness. This is AUD-JPY. AUD-JPY is also on a bullish trend, so we are just looking for where the market is going to reverse from, and this might give us some early entries next week. As you can see, our area between 105.67 and 105.540 might give us some bullish move upwards. Yes, let's also get to shed some light on AUD-USD. AUD-USD is also on a bearish trend. From my perspective, we are going to see some bearishness, with this here being a head and shoulders pattern on an order block over higher time frame. As you can see, we have a head and shoulders pattern, so if price breaks here, we are going to test as we go down. Yes, so this is a bearish trend on AUD-USD. Furthermore, we have GBP-USD. GBP-USD is on a bearish trend also, as you can see. I would put my stop loss up there. This thing is beautiful on the daily time frame, so I would put my stop loss up there and wait for drop to this level over here first. So those are early entries for next week. Here we have the Euro USD. As you can see, Euro USD has already broken a major supply zone, so we're expecting it to continue going down. Euro USD might be very bearish as we look at it. So we have gold. For me, I'm anticipating a bit of drop in gold. Yes, you're going to see a sharp drop in gold. Then we might then now see what gold does. Remember, gold is very volatile. Bitcoin, we're waiting for a test around these zones. As I've said, Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin will be bullish for a minute, and we're going to see some nice pips from that. Yeah, and we're back where we started. Thank you. This is Mark Trades FX, and we are always online for assistance. You can always DM me if you want. Catch us on our next video for this intra-week market analysis, and thank you all of you for subscribing and liking the content that I provide. Remember, this content is only for learning purposes.